Welcome back to my channel. If you are feeling this wig, y'all, please stay tuned because this was my actually first time doing a synthetic wig and I think I did a good job. So yes, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's move on to the video. It's the Swiss lace by Sensational. What the lace, and it's a synthetic wig and it's 100% premium fiber. This also is the Wig-LATISHA wig and it is a 13 by 6 lace, and I got it in the number 1. So if you are not a fan of full hair, because this wig is really full, so if you're not a fan of big hair, big curls, then this is not the wig for you. But if you are a fan, y'all, go ahead and grab this hair. They also offer this unit in multiple colors. I just end up getting number 1, but yeah. Y'all, we just gonna take a moment of silence for that lace. Do y'all see that? And I hadn't put any powder on the lace. So when I did put my bronzer on there, I'm gonna do a thin layer, just a really thin layer. I felt like throughout the video I should have put maybe a second layer on there, but y'all, it still blended perfectly. Y'all, when customizing this wig, I did not do a good job with cutting off all of my lace, as y'all gonna see, like on the sides, especially on the left side of my wig. It was a lot of lace there, and I don't like, throughout the video you're gonna see me pretty much like looking at that side like it's something off. I don't know why I didn't cut the lace, but don't mind it. Just look at the lace once it's melted and look at the hair. Do not focus on that lace. Sorry about that. have to give it out to Sensational. They did a good job constructing this wig and plucking this wig and the lace. I give them a 10. So I just wanted to show you guys like how the lace look without me being directly in front of my studio lights, and how it would look in the natural sunlight and in a natural room. Kind of want to like soften them up just a little bit. Just a little bit. I ain't do it like all the way over here. So don't mind it, but yeah, I just want to soften them up just a little bit. Okay, so now the moment of truth. I'm about to like just take them, just take the curls and kind of like comb them out just a little bit. So as I was combing my fingers through the wig, it did shed a lot. I'm not necessarily sure why it shedded, because there was no tracks cut. But yes, y'all, this hair did shed. But other than that, y'all, it is a really good wig. And I was shocked because this was a synthetic wig and this was my first wig. And I feel like, yeah, this wig is that and it's bomb. So yes, y'all can flip this hair from left to right. Just make sure, unlike me, that your lace is blended on the side, and just make sure that it's all glued down and everything like that. Of course, I wouldn't have went outside like that. That's why I didn't really focus on gluing those tabs down. But yes, y'all, just to remind y'all that the middle part is only a 13x6, but the sides are not. If you enjoyed my video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I will be doing a makeup look on this look because this is actually no foundation. So yes, y'all, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. And I was feeling myself, so yes, just look at me. Look at me. Yeah, y'all. See y'all later.